If you want to build a stronger, bigger chest quickly, this move is your best friend. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, I'll break it down step by step so you can do it safely and effectively. Stick around for pro tips and common mistakes to avoid. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and let's get those gains. First things first, why the barbell bench press? This compound exercise targets your pectorals, the chest muscles, plus your shoulders and triceps. It's great for building overall upper body strength and size. You can lift heavy weights, which means faster muscle growth with progressive overload. Now, let's set up. You'll need a flat bench and a barbell. Start light to focus on form. Safety first. Step 1. Position yourself. Lie flat on the bench with your eyes under the bar. Plant your feet firmly on the floor, shoulder width apart. This gives you stability. Slightly arch your back naturally and squeeze your shoulder blades together, like pinching a pencil between them. Grip the bar just wider than shoulder width. Thumbs wrapped around for a secure hold. No suicide grip, folks. Step 2. Unrack the bar. Take a deep breath, brace your core tight, and lift the bar off the rack. Hold it straight over your chest with arms extended. Keep your wrists straight and aligned with your forearms. Step 3. Lower the bar. Inhale as you slowly bring it down to your mid-chest, around nipple level. Keep your elbows at about 45 degrees from your body. Don't flare them out too much or you'll stress your shoulders. Take 2 to 3 seconds on the way down for control. Pause for a second to feel that chest stretch. Step 4. Press up. Exhale and explode the bar back up, squeezing your chest hard at the top. Drive through your heels for power, but keep your butt on the bench. Fully extend your arms without locking your elbows. That's 1 rep. Aim for 3 to 4 sets of 8 to 12 reps, 2 to 3 times a week. Rest 1 to 2 minutes between sets. If you're a beginner, start with just the bar or lighter weights. Pro tips. Warm up with light sets or push-ups first. Progress by adding weight gradually, 5 to 10 pounds every week or 2. Eat protein-rich foods post-workout for recovery, and always have a spotter for heavy lifts. There you have it, the ultimate guide to the barbell bench press. Practice this, stay consistent, and you'll see your chest growing in no time. What exercise should I cover next? Drop a comment below. Subscribe for more fitness tips and hit the bell for notifications.